everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing the heat transfer method again, and that is when I take all of my hard oils and butters and I have them in a container and I melt them down using my hot lye water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. Okay, so I'm just going to keep stirring this until all of that is melted down, and then I will add in my liquid oils. Alright, so everything's just about mixed up, and now I'm going to separate it off into my different colors. We are going to do 4 colors for this one. I'm going to do primarily orange, and some yellow, and finally a little bit of red. Okay, and this big one here is going to be white. Okay, so this one will be orange. And this one here is gonna be yellow. And finally, I'm gonna put the white in here. So I think I'm just gonna give them a quick stick blend and see how the colors are. Okay, everything looks good, so I'm just going to go ahead and scrape down all the sides of my containers just to make sure that there's no uncolored soap anywhere. The design for this one, I was kind of thinking of just doing like a majority white base and then a little bit of a drop swirl with the different colors, but I'm thinking it's possible I will go ahead and add a hanger through it, depending on how it's looking, the trace of it. We'll see. We shall see what happens. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my fragrance oil, and then we will stick blend and start pouring. Alrighty, and here is my mold. So I'm going to go ahead and add in pretty much, well, almost all of the white. I'm gonna leave what's left in here for the top. And then I'm just going to start doing some drop swirls using my colors. Starting off with the orange. Next I'll be going in with the yellow. And the red. Back with the yellow again. Oopsie. I'm only trying to do 2 passes, so I want to get all that color in on the second pass. Okay, so total last minute design change. So what I ended up doing was I went in once with the orange, twice with the red and yellow, and I emptied those colors out. I do still have some orange left here. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and texture this top when it sets up a little bit more, and then I'm going to put the rest of the orange kind of as a layer. Okay, so I have a cake scraper here, and I'm just going to try and give it a little bit of texture. If I'm being completely honest, my soap batter is a little too liquidy to be doing this, but I want to get it done before the orange sets up a whole lot, so I'm just trying to go for it here. Alrighty, and the texturing is in, so I'm slowly going to put in the orange layer. I'm using my spatula to kind of shield it so that it doesn't completely squish the texture that I just made. This is just going to be a really thin layer up at the top. After I have this in relatively evenly, I'm going to go ahead and bang it down. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of my white and kind of just layer it on top. Okay, so swirl's done. I'm going to take a little bit of Gold Enigma from Nurture Soap and spray it on top. It's kind of like a mica that has like a gold sheen, just to give it a little bit of something up there. Then I'm going to take some of this biodegradable hollow glitter and sprinkle that on top. This is from Brambleberry. Okay, and there we have it. This is all done, and we will be back in about 24 hours to cut it. Hello and welcome back. So we're going to get this soap chopped up. I have it on its side, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Pushing down. Okay. Pulling off the ends, and wow, this looks so good. I love these colors together. And it smells really nice. It's like really fresh and fruity, and there's a little bit of effervescence in there, which, oh, it's perfect. Perfect. And our tops, which we did a little bit more plain to not take away from the outside. Neat, neat, neat. I love this drop swirl. I feel like it was at that perfect consistency to get some pretty thick swirls, which is kind of what I prefer. Oh, this is kind of scary. It kind of looks like two eyeballs and then a nose, like a big saggy witch nose or something. And there you have it. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.